Hello children. The topic is report writing. Report writing is a collection of information. Collected informations are then framed using or keeping some points in mind. But the points will be related to the topic only. First we have to select the topic. Then where, that is mention place, when, mention time. Suppose my topic is Victoria Memorial Hall. Where is it? When did you visit that? And what is there to see? Is there anything interesting related to that topic? So, I told you the topic you have to decide and you have to select the points related to that particular topic. Suppose I have just told you Victoria Memorial Hall. Where is it? When did you visit? What are the informations you have collected that you have to mention? What is there inside? Then what did you observe after watching each and every corner? Then what is the most interesting thing related to that place that you have to mention? In this way, you have to write the report. Report writing is nothing but a collection of information. I think collection of information you have understood. Suppose you can collect the information regarding fair, regarding ice cream parlor, regarding farm, regarding fast food shop, circus, zoo. But topic you have to frame first. First you have to mention the topic. Suppose it is fair, then what points will you frame? That will depend upon your topic. Okay. If it is ice cream parlor, in the same way first you decide the points that on what thing or on what points you will write. Regarding farm, the same. Fast food shop, where it is, when did you visit, what is there inside it. So you will frame accordingly. Circus, you can do it. Zoo, you can do it. So in this way we can frame report writing. It is nothing but a collection of information, and you have to keep some points in your mind related to the topic. Here you can see that topic I have selected Uncle John's Pet Farm. Then I did, I thought some points. So what did I think? Where is the farm? When did you visit? List out the name of the pets, number of pets, feeding time, how does he call them, and how does he look after them. Uncle John's Pet Farm. Uncle John, that means he is a person who looks after the farm. So all these points I have listed out. Then I started writing report on Uncle John's Pet Farm. Uncle John's Pet Farm is very famous. It is 10 kilometers away from our locality. That means it is very famous. Okay, where is it? That you have to write. When did you visit? That you have to write. Uncle John's Pet Farm is very famous. It is 10 kilometers away from our locality. One day I went with my friends. That means when did you visit there? One day I went with my friends to visit his farm. We enjoyed. What did you see over there? We enjoyed watching birds, goats, cows, squirrels, cocks, hens, butterflies, and many more. Then how many animals are there? He has more than 100 farm animals. In his farm, he has more than 100 farm animals. Then feeding time, he feeds them thrice a day. 3 times he used to feed them. He calls them by their names. I just mentioned here also, how does he call them? He calls them by their names. They understand his language. Sometimes we can add some more. Sometimes he uses whistles and plays with them. He loves and cares them like his own children. And in this way, we collected all the informations and the trip was an interesting one for all of us. So this is the report on the basis of these points. So we can select such type of topic and then we can frame some points and then we can write the report. So in this way we can do the report writing work.